Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share my plugins that I use for my UI design projects. So let's check it out. So let's jump to Figma software. I use a desktop app, and this is my plugins: Content Reel, Figmotion, Google Sheets, Iconify, Mapcycle, and Unsplash. So let's create Artboard Plus. Right. So the first one I use Unsplash, this plugin for searching of photos. You can see the categories: abstract, animal, art, business. Just click that category that you want, then is the preview. I use space category. Scale down. This is the first plugin that I use for my UI design project. Second one is Mapcycle. Absolutely, this is for map design. Automatically, it can create a real world map. Can zoom in San Francisco. Can create map. The next one is Iconify. Just you can choose icon resources. This is commercial use. You can use this for commercial project. You can see the icon sets, icon set, the fill icon, box icon, carbon. You can see the preview. You can change the color. You will get the HTML code. You have React component or JavaScript framework and the Svelte component. For example, I use star icon, then I click import icon. Automatically, they will create the icon. You can edit, you can modify. Okay, these two plugins are difficult to explain. You can improve. The last one is content aware. Content aware is very important plugin. Okay, next, the new update. And you can choose a random text, random image, icon. Example, I will choose this avatars by Microsoft. You can choose a different avatar for your example profile, maybe. Let's say I will choose this guy. Please select an image layer first. I will create a rectangle. Now first you should create a rectangle and then you choose the avatar. Then you can edit that, you can match that with another shape. I think that's it for this video. Thank you, I see you around.